Yes. So 1 packet of biscuit requires 1.5 cups of flour and 2/3 cups of sugar. Find the quantity of both the ingredients used in 10 such packets of biscuits. Okay, try this one. Is it done?
Almost.
Okay.
Done. Just 1 minute.
All right.
Done.
All right. So how much are you getting?
For the first one. So first, cups of flour packet of biscuit requires 2 1/2 cups. Cups of sugar is equal to 1 2/3. Quantity used in 10 such cups is equal to 2 1/2 into 10 and 1 2/3 into 10. So first we will convert the mixed fraction. So 2 2 1/2 is equal to 5/2 into 10. And then
What 2 1/2 is 5
equal
by
to 5/10.
10. ठीक है. Okay.
And then 1 2/3 is equal to 5/3 into 10. So 5/2 into 10 is equal to 25. And 5/3 into 10 is equal to 50/3.
50/3. All right. Now what you will do?
So 25 cups of flour and 50/3 cups of sugar.
Add both of these, na 25 plus 50/3, right?
Together.
Then you will get. Because I am asking the total quantity of both the ingredients. See, that means adding up.
Okay. 75/3 is equal to total quantity of both is equal to 75/3.
No. Add. But just see, take LCM. If 25 is not having anything, it means it is having 1 in the denominator. Now take LCM. Okay. Now tell me the actual fraction and convert it into decimal. Okay.
LCM is equal to 3.
Yes, solve it further. Tell me the actual fraction.
Is equal to 145 by 3.
Yes. Okay. Now convert it into decimal.
How?
145 by 3. Right?
Yes.
This is what you said. 145 by 3. That means if I have to convert this fraction into a decimal, that means I'm going to divide it. 3 and 145. Okay. 3 4s are 12. See, Hana? 14 minus 12, 2. Now 5. 3 8s are 24. 145 or 140? 141. Just, 75 plus
125.
1 to, yeah, exactly 125.
125.
So 1's a 1 is, I mean 2 is in the remainder point, and the moment I'm putting point, that means I can put 0.
Yes.
So 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18. That's it. So I'm getting 41.6. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Done.
Understood how to convert this into fraction, from fraction to decimal?
Yes.
All right. Yes. Try for this one now.
I finished.
Okay. How much are you getting?
2 by 2 upon 1 by 4.
2 by 2 upon?
1 by 4. Because after adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, I got 2 by 4 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, so 2 by 8, then 1 by 4.
So the actual answer is coming out to be?
2 by 8.
Hello?
But I simplified it. The actual answer is coming out to be 2 by 8.
But you're not audible.
Hello. 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 Hello.
You're not audible.
Hello. 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 The actual answer is coming out to be 2 by 8. I can't hear you.
Hello, now can you hear me?
Yeah. The actual answer is coming out to be 2 by 8.
2 by 8. No, bache, it will be 2 by 3. Okay.
But
Let me
how?
show you. Yeah, just a second. Let me show you. Tell me, is my screen being shared? Hello.
It's loading.
Now is it being shared?
Yes.
All right. Tell me, what did you get in the numerator?
2 by 2.
2 by 2. Okay, let's see. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 will give me 1. So 1 by 2
1
divided.
into
I'll
1
convert
by
it
2.
into reciprocal. So 2 by 1. Uh, I'm solving the numerator first. Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now this is cancelled. Now 1 of means multiply by 2. That means I'm getting 1 by 2 in the numerator. Hello.
Hello? Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
ठीक है.
I added instead of multiplying. That's
No,
all.
बच्चे हाँ. See, this is division sign. This is off. Off means multiply. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have got in the numerator 1 by 2. Correct it first.
Done.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Now what are you getting in the denominator?
2 by 8. 1 by 4.
8. Let's see. In the denominator, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of 1 by 2. My voice is audible to you now?
Yes.
Okay. So first let's take, I don't need to take LCM this time because already the denominator is right. Like it's already
Yeah.
same. So I can directly add it. Yeah.
By
So it will
4.
be 2 by 2. This one will be 2 by 2 of 1 by 2.
2 by 2.
So let's simplify it.
But don't we add the 4?
1 of 2 by 2. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
But what if I say there is a catch? There is a catch in the denominator. Yes. Can you figure it out?
There are 3 2s.
No. What if I say it's in the first step only? Don't write it. Okay, don't write it first.
That all the digits are the same?
Nahi, it's related to a rule. It's related to a rule. Do you have an idea?
That we can't add the bottom denominator to?
Okay, let me tell you. It is related to the rule of BOD-MAS. Okay. That means this is not we are gonna follow here. In the numerator part, why didn't I apply BOD-MAS? Because it was very direct. BOD-MAS means BODMAS, BOD-MAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Okay.
Yes.
That means firstly, if in any equation I have multiple signs going on, plus, minus, multiply, division, all of them are there, then I have to follow this sequence. BO, that means bracket of. If there is any bracket, then I need to solve that. No matter whatever the sign is there. Then I have to follow the division, then multiplication, then do the addition, and then in the last subtraction. So that means I have addition and multiplication this time. So this time m come first, that means I'll multiply it first. Okay,
Yes.
you can write this one. This is important, that's why I've discussed this question. So let's multiply and let's keep this one as it is. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, right Hana?
Yes.
Now tell me, what will I
Okay.
get?
1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
Yes, exactly. So this will be 1 by 4. 2 twos are 4. 1 into 1, 1, right? Now add it.
Yeah. So
1 by 2 plus 1 by
1 by
4.
4 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to first LCM 4, 2, 2, 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, equal to 4, 1 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 twos are 4, 1 twos are 2, so 2 by 2, no. 2 twos are 4, 1 two is 2, 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4.
Okay, so you are getting 3 by 4.
Yes.
Acha, solve the numerator part by bod mass. Still, I'll be having this one only. Division is D comes before M, hai na? So that means
Yes.
still I'll be multiplying or dividing in this part.
Can I solve it and see?
Yeah, exactly. Try it. Roughly try it.
So first you will do 1 by 2.
So first, what?
1 by 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2.
No, bache. See, bod mass. That means division part comes first. That means still I will be solving this part first and then this part. Right, Anna?
Yes.
Yes. Check it.
1 by 2.
You're getting 1 by 2. See, this time also we got 1 by 2. But remember when we were solving the denominator part, when I was going through the normal in the sequence, I was getting some other answer, right? But when I applied
Yes.
bod mass rule, now I am getting the correct one. This is 3 by 4. Cheek?
Yeah.
Okay, why? Because there were interchanging of signs here. This in this manner, they were still in the sequence of division and multiplication. That's why the answer didn't change. But in this case, they were not in the sequence. So I, with the help of BODMAS rule, I put them in the sequence and solved it accordingly and hence got the answer. So let's
Yeah.
make the fraction now. Fraction is numerator. What was the numerator? 1 upon 2 upon 3 by 4. What do we do? Always remember, these two things come together. The denominator of the first one and the numerator of the second one come together. Okay? That means 1 by 2. If I have to, like if 3 needs to come together to this, it will be like this only. That means 4 is above.
Oh.
So it will be, hello?
But how does 4 come?
Which is, see, this is a trick to remember which one will get reciprocated, like which one will be the numerator, which one will be the denominator. See, these are two fraction in numerator and denominator forms, right Anna?
Yeah.
Right? So now I am telling you a trick. See, how to remember this? These two things come always together. The denominator of the first one and the numerator of the second one. Okay? So now if I have to make them together, that means first fraction is written as it
1.
is. Yes, one, it is written as it is. Now if 2 and 3 are coming together, that means 3 must be the denominator. in the second case, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
So who will go up? Who will go up? 4 obviously, because it was having 4. Okay.
So the answer is equal to 4 by 6.
Yes. And simplify it.
2 by 3.
Yes. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. It is having different rules. So just write it.
Done.
The last part as well.
Yeah.
This conversion part.
Yeah.
Okay. Acha, did you do the assignment?
Yeah.
Revision PDF? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, but did you do the revision PDF?
It's still in the process.
Hmm?
I'm still doing it.
Acha, okay. So is there
The
any...
assignment I have finished.
Yeah. I've seen you have submitted your assignments. Yeah, I've seen. But did you do the do you have any doubt in the revision
Um,
PDF?
if I have any, I'll let you know.
Acha, okay, sure. So let's proceed. If you have any doubt from integers or from this chapter, fractions and decimal, you can ask.
Okay.
Okay, just go through it once. I'm giving you five minutes. Just go through your notes. Any concept, any question. Okay, any word problem. Just have a look at it.
In the revision worksheet that I have sent you,
Yeah. Let me
the
check this.
question number 16, I'm having difficulty in understanding how to solve it.
Okay, let me just check it. The revision PDF.
And my teacher also gives many sums like that to practice, but I don't understand.
Yes, bache. This Sona question. Just a second. In a test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. This I have given in your assignment too, right? You must have done that.
Yeah, I wasn't able to solve it. And my
No?
teacher twists the questions
Just a
and
second.
gives, so I
Let's.
don't get it. And I have
Sure.
one more doubt. If we get a question,
Mm-hmm.
like 1 by 2 of 36 or 37 boxes, is how are we supposed to, like solve it?
1 by 2 of 37 boxes. Of means?
Into.
Yes. That's it.
You just have to do that.
Yeah. Of always means multiply. Okay. Even in case of percentages, like if I'm saying 10% of 50, that means multiply
10 into
10%.
50. 10 into 50.
Yes, 10% है बच्चे. Okay, this is 10%. Suppose 10 by 100 into 50. Okay. So
Okay.
off always means multiply, no matter what the question is. Okay.
Okay. I'll just
Chalo.
check my
Can we
math
discuss the doubt
worksheet.
now?
1 minute.
अच्छा अच्छा okay. You there?
Yeah. Is it possible if before a few days before my math exam we can have a revision?
Yeah, of course. On which date are you having your exam?
Just a moment. My exams start from this Thursday, but math is last.
Date.
Let me check. Mm, Thursday. I think on 22nd.
I think, or check it once. Is it 22nd or not?
It's on 22nd.
Okay. It is on 22nd.
Yes.
All right. So, yeah, in the revision class, you want to discuss the doubts?
Yeah, and a little bit on like the important points and questions.
Acha, acha. Okay. I will schedule a revision class for you. Okay.
Okay.
So, yes. Now tell me the question. How many incorrect answers has she attempted?
1 minute. Let me open the question.
Mhm.
Uh, how many incorrect answers has she attempted? How
So
do I
for
find this?
exactly how, like, the thing is that we know how much she has total score. What is the total score of her?
Yeah,
What is the total score of her? Tell me. It's there in the question.
20 marks. No,
Yes.
10.
ठीक है. So how many correct answer?
20.
Bache, correct answers. See, again
10.
question. Hmm?
10 correct answers.
Yes. And marks for correct answers were how many marks were
3.
awarded for each correct answer? Yes. So total marks for correct answer will be
10 plus 3.
10 plus 3 plus
20.
na 10 plus or 10 multiply by 3 because for each
10
answer,
into 3.
yes, if for each answer if 3 marks is awarded, then how many for 10? We multiply in such cases, right? So 30.
Yes.
Okay.
30.
Now I have got the positive score. I have got the positive score, but there is a negative marking too, है ना? So
Yeah.
it means that she must have lost marks for incorrect answer. Write it. For incorrect answer is equal to how much?
-1.
Yeah, minus 10, 20, minus 30, minus 10.
How -10?
Bache, because see, minus 30 is having the greater sign, na?
Yeah.
Can I subtract 30 from 20? Yes, I
Also,
can.
we're removing the correct answers from the.
Yeah, the actual score minus the positive score. Okay?
1 minute. 10 into 3 we did because she got 10 answers and plus for
Yes.
every. Then we're
Yes.
subtracting with 20 because she scored 20.
Yeah.
So
So I've got minus 10, right?
yeah.
So why didn't I write 30 minus 20? Instead, I write 20 minus 30. Why?
Because you'll get it. Um,
Because obviously I'll subtract it from the
because
actual
you
score.
get positive. Yeah.
I will subtract from the actual score, na? Whatever she is scoring. This is the actual
Yes.
score. That holds more importance, okay? And this is the
Yeah.
positive score,
Yeah.
okay? Like when you're gonna go into higher classes, you will be having your competitive exams too, right? In those competitive exams, you must have seen there is actually a negative marking. Like suppose if you have attempted question 1 and if your score is 5, okay, till yet your score is 5, but you have attempted one question incorrect. In normal settings, the score still remains as 5 only. But when there is negative marking, in that case, your score becomes 4 because minus 1 is deducted from your actual score. Okay, this actually happens. Okay, so anyways, now I have got the marks for incorrect answer. Now I want to know for how many incorrect answers are there. If I have understood how much marks were there for the incorrect answer, and I know for each answer how many marks are deducted, it's there in the question.
-1.
-1. So for the number, to find the number of incorrect answers, what will I do for with 10 and -1?
-10 plus -1.
Mm,
Divided.
yes, -10 upon, I need to find the number now. I need to find the number. If I've got the number for 1 and there are a lot of questions, how many of there? Then in that case, I divide. Okay. So
For
how many?
every, if we give any other examples for this, it'll be the same.
Yeah. Okay.
-10 -1.
So how many incorrect answer bache? 10. Okay.
10.
So now what is the second part?
That was the how many questions were given in the test?
So total correct answers were
10.
and total incorrect answers I have got just now were
10.
also 10. So how many questions in total?
20.
Easy. Okay. Total
So
correct
we
answer.
just have to add.
Yeah. The second part was easy, but the second part you would have proceeded only and only if you find the incorrect answers. Hai na?
Yes.
Incorrect answers were also 10. Now total.
Instead of dividing, is it also easier to subtract?
But in this case, it is not asking us about the leftover questions. It's not asking about the remaining question. When these kind of words are mentioned, that means I have to subtract. If number for 1 is given and they are asking for more numbers, that means I have to divide. Okay.
Okay.
Same with multiply. Same with multiply. If it is asking us for the total, now this can be a little catchy. If it is asking us for the total, you have to see if you have to multiply or you have to add. Because in most of the cases, the total stand for basically the sum. But in some cases, what happens is they give us for the one. Okay, the cost of one is like this. Okay, the cost of one answer is like this, and they're asking us for the bigger number. Then in that case, we are multiplying. Okay. It's just like
Yes.
unitary method. It's just like unitary method we have done in class 6th, right? Remember that chapter,
Yes.
ratio proportion?
Yeah.
Okay. Written the solution. Total questions become 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Hana written? Hello. Hello. Are you there?
Yeah, my charge finished.
Okay. Now written.
Yes.
Shall I give you the next question, which is another tricky question from this assignment only, from your revision PDF?
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
You have written this now for both the parts.
Yes.
All right. Now solve for this one. 8.4 divided by something is equal to 2.1. This is a fill in the blanks question number 1, last part.
We have to multiply, right?
Yeah, so take it as if there is this, if this is blank, so take it as x. Then
Okay.
you will multiply. It will become 1 by x.
What if I first convert it to fraction and then multiply them both?
Huh?
Like first I convert the
Yeah,
8.4 and
exactly. Yeah, that
2.1.
will be easier. That will first convert 8.4 and 2.1 into fraction and then accordingly solve it.
Okay. Can you solve this one?
Acha, tell me the approach. What have you done?
First I converted 84 by 10, then
Hmm.
21 by 10, then I
Hmm.
multiplied them.
Hmm.
I got 1764 by 10.
Wait.
So
So
1764 by 100.
first step was correct, but I have told that division is always converted into multiplication, and the next one gets converted into reciprocal. So if it is x, that means it's not having any denominator, and if there is no denominator, the denominator we consider is 1. So when I'm going to reciprocate it, this will become 1 by x, right, Anna? And this will become 21 by 10. Now what I'll do, bache?
Divide.
Yes, so it will 1 by x is equal to 10 here is in the denominator part. So it will go to the numerator this time. 84 is in the numerator part. It will go in the denominator this time. Okay. Or in other simpler words, you can still call it, I have divided this. Okay. I have divided this. 21 by 10 divided by 84 by 10. Still you will get this only. Hana? Still you will get, after reciprocating, you will get this part only.
So we just have to multiply and see the answer.
Now it is 21 by 84. It is coming as 1 by x. But I want the value for x, not for 1 by x. So I'm going to reciprocate it again. So if I am reciprocating this part, then obviously this part will also be reciprocated. 84 by 21. Okay? So now it is 4 ones are 4. Yeah. So x is 4. So that means this blank part was 4.
4.
2.4 divided by 4 will give me 2.1. Okay?
2.1. Okay.
See? Yeah. Hana? Understood? Write this. I want you to do it fast. I have next class now.
Okay.